Time for example 14, example 15. I'm not doing every question. They get kind of repetitive for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the first one, which is just factorize. What I got to remember is this is a difference of squares. I need to recognize that from the factoring chapter, which everybody loved. But difference of squares is simply x squared minus y squared is equal to x minus y, x plus y. So everything comes back. We've got that, we've got sine squared, cosine squared. So we end up with sine theta minus cos theta. Sine theta plus cos theta. Done. That's all there is to the first example. Now the second one, it may not necessarily be that. You know what? I'm going to throw in another one. We've got this example, but then we've got something a little bit different in, I think, it's sine squared theta plus 5 sine theta plus 1 plus 4. So what I need here is it's the same as when we were doing the questions. Visualize this as x squared plus 5x plus 4. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply together equal 4, but add together equal 5. Well, that's 4 times 1, 4 plus 1. But what we're going to do is we're going to replace x with sine squared, or x with sine theta. So this becomes sine theta plus 4, sine theta plus 1. Where before it would have been x plus 4, x plus 1. So it gets a little bit more complicated, and in the future it'll help us when we're dealing with something like the next question. Cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. We know that's a difference of squares. So we're going to simplify this by trying to get rid of things. That's the whole idea of simplification. That's what it actually means. So this is a difference of squares. So that's going to become cos theta minus sine theta over cos theta plus sine theta over cos theta minus sine theta. So what can I do? I got to visualize this as having brackets around it, because then that can cancel with that, and it leaves me with just cos theta plus sine theta. So there's a couple more examples taken care of. Hopefully from this, you're going to be able to make the connection with the one other question I didn't do. Trying to keep the videos short as possible so you guys might actually watch them. And that's it.